Every travel enthusiast has fantasized about taking the plunge, cancelling that return flight home, and becoming a digital nomad at least once. There's never been a better moment to join the digital nomad movement and explore the finest places for digital nomads, thanks to ubiquitous access to free internet and co-working spaces opening in cities all over the world. How to choose the best digital nomad cities? When it comes to nomad friendliness, not all cities are made equal. Each destination must check a few crucial boxes to be deemed one of the finest digital nomad cities. Of course, safety, nightlife, weather, healthcare, and walkability are all important aspects to consider while choosing a vacation. With all these considerations in mind, we've compiled a list of the best places for digital nomads. Number 1. Melbourne, Australia. According to a Nest Pick survey, Melbourne is the clear winner for digital nomads among the places featured below. For a country like Australia, the cost of living is relatively reasonable. Melbourne is Australia's second largest city and one of the top student cities in the world. It is well known for its large number of cafes, but that is not why it is ranked first. Although cafes always have Wi-Fi, and the city's highest internet download speed is reported to be 52.53 megabits per second. Melbourne's cultural aspect, on the other hand, is what makes it so appealing. Foreigners from all over the world flock to this bustling city with a thriving cultural scene. Digital nomads, students, visitors, experts. Number 2. Chiang Mai, Thailand. In the realm of digital nomads, this city in northern Thailand is legendary. For good reason, it frequently ranks first on rankings of the greatest digital nomad cities. Chiang Mai is home to lush jungles, magnificent temples, cutting-edge co-working spaces, and exciting night markets. It's no surprise that Chiang Mai is a legendary digital nomad city, given Thailand's inexpensive cost of living. Number 3. Canggu, Bali. Bali has always been a popular tourist destination, but in recent years it has gained a reputation as a near-perfect digital nomad choice. Canggu is routinely ranked among the finest cities for digital nomads by Nomad List. This once thriving surf village is now a thriving expat community. The tremendous increase in popularity has resulted in Instagrammable Australian-style cafes, incredible co-working spaces, and a large and active digital nomad culture. This means that networking events, free workshops, and cafes with plenty of outlets are plentiful. It's also an excellent area to surf when you're not working. Number 4. Ubud Bali. Though only a short distance from Canggu, Ubud has its own distinct vibe. With a more laid-back vibe, you'll find all the usual amenities of any of the top cities for digital nomads. Co-working spaces, good cafes, and plenty of fellow nomads. Ubud is the place to go if you prefer jungles and yoga to beaches and surfing. Just make sure you leave room in your digital nomad packing list for a yoga mat. The best months to visit are June to September, when the weather is dry and not too hot, with cool evenings. July and August are the busiest months, with Ubud Centre becoming more congested. From November to March, the rainy season begins. Number 5. Medellin, Colombia. The city of everlasting spring is quickly ascending the list of greatest cities for digital nomads. With the area of widespread violence and Pablo Escobar behind them, the city has made significant investments in technology and infrastructure. The city is just as affordable as other of Southeast Asia's top places for digital nomads. Plus, there are a lot of nature treks in the nearby hills for your days off. Apart from all these lovely things, the night was remarkable in that it did not become any cooler. After living in Bogotá's environment for so long, you have no idea what to anticipate from the weather. It can easily change 5 to 7 times every day, but one thing is certain: the night is colder and a jacket is required. On the other hand, it was usually pleasant warm in Medellin. It perfectly adjusted the mood. Number 6. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon may be one of the most expensive cities on our list of top cities for digital nomads, but that doesn't mean there isn't great value to be found there. The cost of living is still modest, and the infrastructure is up to date. Lisbon has witnessed a major influx of digital nomads in recent years, thanks to its wonderful weather, vast expat population, and delicious gastronomy. Because of its European Union membership, Lisbon is particularly appealing to Europeans who work remotely. Number 7. Bangkok, Thailand. Because Chiang Mai is frequently mentioned as the finest city for digital nomads, Bangkok is frequently disregarded. Bangkok, on the other hand, is hard to top for the entire digital nomad package. While pricier than Chiang Mai, the cost of living is still fairly reasonable. Co-working spaces, vast air-conditioned malls, affordable street food, and a sophisticated metro system abound throughout the city. And when you sign that new client, Bangkok is the ideal spot to reward yourself to a lovely supper or a cocktail at a sky bar. Number 8. Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. While Vietnam and Thailand have separate personalities, Saigon, as the locals refer to it, is the most comparable to Bangkok. Saigon, as Vietnam's financial capital, has a significantly more modern vibe than the rest of the country. Vietnam is a very inexpensive country to live in, making Ho Chi Minh City one of the finest destinations for digital nomads just starting out. There are numerous co-working spaces throughout the city, as well as a strong network of digital nomads and inexpensive, tasty food. Furthermore, Vietnam has a strong coffee culture, so you'll never be far from a cafe. Number 9. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Buenos Aires is one of the greatest places for digital nomads wishing to switch from Southeast Asia's beaches to Latin America's. The city is culturally diverse, with influences from Europe, North America, and Latin America. Buenos Aires has plenty of things to do when you're not working on your business, in addition to plenty of places to plug in and work. You can learn to dance the tango, experience the city's busy nightlife, catch a soccer match, or relax in one of the city's numerous parks while enjoying the beautiful weather. Number 10. Budapest, Hungary. Budapest has all of the beauty, history, and charm of a European city without the exorbitant price tag. The Danube River divides the city both geographically and culturally, so there'll be much to see. The city's mountainous historic part is on the one side. On the other hand, you'll find Budapest on the side. If the thriving culinary and nightlife scene isn't enough to persuade you that Budapest is one of the greatest places for digital nomads, the thermal baths could. Budapest more than lives up to its moniker as the City of Baths, with over 120 hot springs to relax in once your computer is turned off. Number 11. Berlin, Germany. Berlin is diverse and energetic, and the monthly cost of living should be roughly $3,000. The internet is extremely fast throughout the city, with an average speed of 50 megabits per second. The city is bustling with creative minds and artists who work from one of the city's many co-working spaces. People go out on weekends to burn off steam in 24-hour clubs. Berlin may not be particularly attractive, but it is distinct and vibrant. Consider Berlin if you want to travel across Europe while still working remotely. It is one of the continent's most popular capital cities. It's lively, reasonably priced, well connected to the rest of Europe via an efficient transportation system, and much more. It's a location where you may work while still having fun. Number 12. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona is popular among visitors and digital nomads for its architecture, culture, beaches, and tapas. The city's vibrancy is unrivaled, and it's one of those places where you stay longer than you expected. Boutique stores, ancient houses, and quiet cafes line the city centre's small streets. Number 13. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro is well known for its majestic view, a city nestled between stunning beaches and mountains. The Brazilian people are kind, and you can feel their excitement at the annual carnival or in their passion for football. Rio also has a diverse social makeup, as it is home to some of the world's most notorious favelas. When staying in the right neighborhoods, however, the city is safe for foreigners. Rio is the ideal combination of local culture and international atmosphere, from carnival and samba to football and world-class beaches. Rio de Janeiro has it all. It's a terrific moment to be a remote worker with an ever-growing list of great digital nomad professions and destinations. And if you're still undecided about which of the greatest digital nomad cities is suited for you, don't worry. That's one of the benefits of being a digital nomad. You'll have to check them out for yourself. Short trivia before we end: digital nomads are shaping up a great part of the world economy today, caused by the pandemic that workers turn to remote jobs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.